Hi guys, so today's video is going to be quite an interesting one. So the current date is Saturday the, I don't know what day it is, the 8th of June, which means it's 7 days since my holiday ended in New York, which I'm very sad about, but I'm wearing my New York jumper that I took there, so you know, it's still a bit of the vibe. But I've literally just unpacked and I am literally packing again because I go on a school trip for a full week, which, like, it's a creative writing trip, but it's in Lake District, so we're going. So the weather is going to be quite, like, there's like decent full week, decent patches of warmth, also some rain and coldness, so I hope I packed smartly. I think I have. I have definitely overpacked. Like, I haven't packed yet, but I've got it all stacked out because today's gonna be a pack with me because I'm actually pack myself. And yeah, I'm gonna go through the outfits I've sort of got, and it's me, my friend Holly, and my friend Ava are sharing a room. And yeah, so my outfit, I'll show you my outfit quickly for going down in the coach. I'm spending the full. I have to do all of my lessons on Friday up until 2:30, and then I go on my own clothes, and then we go on the coach and go down. But yeah, I'm wearing this white tank top from Brandon Melville I got in New York. It's my Hollister bralette, and this hoodie, which is a Mean Girls hoodie, which my mum got in New York when we went to go see Mean Girls. This is like her hoodie, but like we all share it, so taking that. And I'm just going to wear that with jeans, so that's pretty simple. And I'm going to go through what I've got, go through my list. I'm taking quite an excessive amount of tops, but a lot of tops I'll probably change or I might wear just to lounge about in, because sometimes we're going to be staying in stores, you know. We're just going to go through it. I'm taking my suitcase I took to New York because it's quite big. I need quite a lot of stuff, as well as, before I go, the last thing I'm going to pack in it is my makeup, my toiletries. Well, my toiletries like maybe a few days before. My makeup, my toiletries, and my, what's that thing? My chargers. Time to get packing, and I'll like go for it. The first thing I'm gonna pack is my jacket, my new windbreaker, which is like a pink, Victoria's Secret pink. And I'm gonna pack it on the clothes inside. I'm also taking my denim jacket for like nights, because this hoodie is quite warm, so I can wear it like going downstairs for breakfast, or if it's like way too cold. So I'm gonna put my hoodie on top of my denim jacket. That should be good. Taking, because I'm going for like 7 days, I'm taking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of like shoe liners, and then 1 pair of long socks, because I say long socks, I say normal socks, 1 pair of normal socks, because my Dr. Martens. My hair clips. I'm gonna pack pajamas. So trousers wise, I'm taking just a pair of leggings from Old Navy. That's not leggings. A pair of leggings from Lululemon. A pair of trousers. Right, next. And a pair of like paper bag shorts from, I actually know why I got these. From H&M. And that's just in case it's warm. And then I'll be wearing my jeans, so that's like 6 pairs of like sort of bottoms. I have another Vans Rice short sleeved one. Got them all in like New York and Vans. So I'll show you. It's like a Vans. It's from Vans. It's a skater dress. Right. So moving on. Well, I need to put these into my sunglasses. And they're in this little case from Amazon. And yeah, they're just from H&M. I don't need an excess amount. I took 3 pairs to New York, but and it rained probably more than it's going to do in electric, so that's brilliant. But I'm just going to strip these down the side because I don't like too much room, because then all the clothes move quite a bit. But I can still fit quite a bit more. So I took a little break, but I know what I'm going to put on this side. So this side is going to be like so compact now, but this is my clothes as well as whatever I can fit when I lose space. So like a bag, I need to put a bag in there for like just a little shoulder bag that I might not need to keep on me all the time. And here it's going to be like shoes, makeup, like wash stuff like shampoo, conditioner, like my wash bag, chargers, and my hairdryer. The thing I put down this side is this Lululemon bag. It's literally a plain plastic bag. But the reason for this is because if I have dirty stuff, I'm going to keep them all together so I don't get it mixed up with my fresh stuff for while I'm there. And I'll literally put my dirty bag under my room, like under my bed in my room. And I'm going to put my plain black Vans. Literally worn these one, so they're just plain black, like slip-on Vans. And I'm taking these because they're just some easy shoes and they'll match everything. I can wear them with my dresses, I can wear them with my shorts, my leggings, everything. But I'll mix it with my Nike Air Forces. And then for these are for like jeans or anything I want to sort of spice up. Or if we're going like a certain place, I have this, which is like a thing of Molton Brown mini perfumes, like little spray tester bottle things, which means I can have like several scents and it keeps it quite compact. This pretty little thing bag, I took this in New York, and I'm going to take my black Kanken, not my Pebble, or my black Kanken. I took out my dark green top or whatever, and I've decided to put in, well, I've got my pretty little thing hoodie that I took to like travel in New York, and like we'll just put it there. And then I'm taking this jumpsuit, which I'm filming this the next day. I've packed all of it, but this side is pretty much full. I've just put a bag in with my inhaler, and I put a pair of sunglasses. I don't know if I said that, I put sunglasses down there. So this is pretty much really packed, but it's I'd rather overpack stuff like this than underpack. So I've got my 2 pairs of shoes. What I need to put in though is, I bought this one. We'll take the tags off. Just a towel, so I have my own towel, because I didn't even think about that. But do I need a 25? I do. Do I need 50? I don't think so. So, Frankie Velvet top I've had since October, and I wasn't too keen on it. But I saw Kate Elizabeth wearing it, so I decided I might pack it. So it's just this plain blue and white bit long like tank top, and yeah. Need to my hairdryer and my diffuser. This is my dressing gown that was massive, but I really need to take it, so let's work this out. The most compact way to do it. Maybe if I fold it and then wrap. So yeah, this is my suitcase. It's done me well from New York, so I hope it does me well for the District. It's like it's much further. It's not like it's, oh gosh, it's not like it isn't a big difference. Definitely it is a big difference. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off. Let's see if I can do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys. I hope you enjoy my New York vlogs and videos, whatever. But I'll see you guys next time I post a video, which will probably hopefully be next week.